at hand. Engines rumble, drivers ready, holding lines so straight and steady. Crowds arrive from near and far, tractor shining like a star. From Ulster fields to Ireland wide, you feel the farming spirit rise. Fresh cut earth and country air, tradition strong and proudly shared. Every furrow tells a story true, and today it's all for you. Happy birthday in the field so wide, where the plows turn earth with pride. Lines so straight beneath the sky, watching season rolling by. Happy birthday, hear the cheer from every county gathered here. From Northern Ireland to Ayr Green, the finest birthday ever seen. Tractors side by side, David Brown and Massey pride. Ferguson engines chug along, working steady, working strong. Judges watching every line, measuring skill and farming time. From novice hands to seasoned pros, every furrow perfectly flows. Steel meets soil in perfect art, every pass a farmer's heart. Generations standing tall, answering the plowman's call. Happy birthday in the field so wide, where the plows turn earth with pride. Lines so straight beneath the sky, watching seasons rolling by. Happy birthday, hear the cheer from every county gathered here. From Northern Ireland to Ayr Green, the finest birthday ever seen. Ploughing matches proudly stand. Through the years they've always grown, a farming heritage deeply sown. So lift your voice and wave your hand, celebrate across the land. Another year, another day, where soil and soul come out to play. Children running by the gate, watching tractors cultivate. Old men smiling, knowing well, stories only fields can tell. Birthday cheers across the ground, with every turning, every sound. A living past, a future bright in golden sun and soft twilight. Happy birthday loud and strong, where the ploughing rolls along. Turning earth and turning time, in every field, in every line. Happy birthday, let it be a day of pride and history. From Irish soil to skies above, ploughing on with pride and love. The sun sets soft and low across the fields where furrows grow. Another year, another cheer. Happy birthday.